Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're opening Freeform and starting one board now. First, create a new canvas and position your iPad for comfortable reach. Once done, pair and use your Apple Pencil so strokes feel immediate. This reduces tool switching. Import any reference by dragging a photo or PDF from Split View and place it where you want context. Make sure to name the board quickly so you can find it. This gets you into working mode without fuss and keeps resources visible as you proceed. Now organize the canvas for clarity. You'll draw rough layouts with pens, then convert lines to shapes or use the Shape tool for neat geometry. Use the lasso to select multiple elements, group them, and move clusters. This saves repositioning time. Add text boxes for titles and sticky notes for quick ideas, then arrange layers by bringing forward or sending back to avoid overlaps. Once grouped, lock sections you won't edit so accidental taps won't move them. Finish by cleaning up. Tidy alignments, delete stray marks, and check spacing. Export the board as a PDF or PNG for sharing. Choose resolution that fits your recipient. Once done, use version history or undo to revert any recent mistakes, and duplicate the board before major edits for safety. If you encounter lag, make sure background apps are closed and reduce large image sizes. Restarting the app often clears temporary glitches. This leaves you with a polished, shareable Freeform board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.